Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you the two ways to turn off location on your mobile phone. So let's start. Now I'll go with the first one. So let's start. Now you can see I am here in my Android device. Now I'll scroll down to find this menus over here. Now again scroll down and after that just slide right over here to find more options. Now you can see here is location. Tap on it and you can see our location is turned off from here. Now if you can't find location over here, let's go with the second one. First of all, head on to your settings and over here go to this magnifying glass over here and search for location. And over here you can find this location. Tap on it and you can see location is on over here. To turn it off, just tap on this over here. Now you can see our location is off. So in this way we can turn off location in our mobile device. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.